Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakia if you are new here. So in today's video, I'll be going more in depth about how I book my clients and the booking system that I use. I've been getting a lot of comments lately and even DMs on my Instagram about that video that I posted about how I book my clients and my website, and also just website questions period. This is going to be a two-part video because I didn't want this video to be too long. This part that you are watching now will be all about my website and booking system, and the second part will be about Square. None of these videos are sponsored, but if Wix and Square, if you want to sponsor me sometime, I am down for it. And like always, these videos are based on my experience and what works for me. So once you watch this video, I don't want you to just go ahead and jump and do what I do. I want you to do your own research and figure out what works best for you. This might not make sense to some people and they're like, why don't you do it XYZ, whatever, but this works for me and I'm fine with it. Like I explained in my how I book clients video and the booking system, my website is my booking system, and I make my website through Wix. I have gotten questions about who did my website and XYZ, but I did my own website and I'll show you how in this video. So first I'm going to show you my website if you haven't already seen my website. So here's my website, and you can see I like to keep everything simple. You'll see that logo and my menu bar. I like to keep it very simple and not cluttered, and I like everything straight to the point. And you'll see my primary logo is at the top, as well as like some services that I want to stick out more to people. I have a brief about me section, and I also have an email list sign up, and that's what I call my glow list. So with Wix, all you have to do, you're gonna have to get on a desktop to make your website. It's not gonna let you make a website from your phone, so you're gonna wanna go on a desktop and go to Wix and sign up for an account and create your website. So I also get the question if I got my domain from GoDaddy or somewhere else. I don't have to go through them. You can go through them if you want to, but Wix, you can get your domain from Wix. So it's like a one-stop shop. When you're trying to create a website, you'll see this screen, and they have all different kinds of categories. And of course, because we are estheticians or lash artists or in the beauty industry period, we're gonna choose beauty and wellness. And here you have the option of having a website being created for you. I've never chose that option. I've always chose create your own website. And it's very easy to create your own website because you start out with a template. And they have all these templates you can choose from. I'm just going to choose this hair extension and lash store. And keep in mind that this is a store, so you're gonna have to make it into like a booking website, and I'll show you how to do that. It is super easy. And you can see a demo and see how it looks and see if you are interested in the website or using the template. So I'm gonna go ahead and click edit, and you can see here everything is customizable. You can change fonts, you can insert pictures, and they actually walk you through the steps on how to make the website. So everything is very easily customizable. You can always go back and change stuff. If you don't like a slideshow, you can always put a photo grid on there. Everything is customizable. Like I said, I like my menu simple, so I'm even going to delete certain stuff here. And to create a booking section, you're gonna go to add and click bookings, and then you can see that they have different kinds of layouts and just choose which one works for you. If you want pictures, you don't want pictures. If you have staff members, they have you covered on everything, and then you can choose a certain layout, whatever fits your style. Choose whichever works for you. You can even change the shape of the pictures or the booking buttons. You can choose which you would like to show and which you don't want to show. You're gonna hear me say this a lot through this video, but everything is customizable. Do what fits your style or the look that you're going for. To add your services, you're gonna click Manage Services. We're doing one-on-ones, and you just fill out the info on the service that you provide. If it's a chemical peel, hydrofacial, whatever it is. You can add photos if you'd like. If you don't have your own photos because you're just starting out, you can use the stock photos they provide. I have listed stock photos on my website before until I was able to get photos of my own work. And yeah, you can add the duration of the service. And if you like, instead of being like booked back to back to back, you can add a buffer time, which is very beneficial. And then you have your payment preferences. You can choose if you want the person to just pay everything during their service or before their service, or you can choose to get a deposit and the rest in person. It's all up to you. Me personally, I have an online deposit, and then they pay the rest in person. You can also choose the deposit amount. And here I'm just showing you how you can customize everything. You can keep it as Our Services or Book Online or whatever you want to title it. And yeah, and here I'm just showing you how you can tailor everything to you. You can put your name, you can highlight that you sell skincare and that they can shop for skincare, whatever it is. If you don't want something from a template, just delete it. I always like to move the page up so that it's not like a super long page people are scrolling through. You can even add your Instagram on your website. I highly recommend having a mailing list because those are the people that you can market to. I love having a mailing list. If you are taking payments through Wix, you are going to need to follow some steps so that they can verify you, and then you'll receive your payments. If not, you'll be like me in that one vlog where I wasn't verified yet, so I was waiting on money to be sent to me from my website. But it's all been cleared up now. You can choose what you want to be seen in your menu. I don't like having the menu button seen on my menu, so I don't like the home button seen on my menu, so I'd rather have a logo being where people click to get back to the home screen. So I'll just link the home screen to the home website and make it not visible. You also want to make sure that your website looks good in mobile view as well. A lot of us use our phone for like everything. We'll go to websites straight from our phone. Like, it's more practical for a lot of people. So you want to make sure that your website looks good in the mobile view as well. I always go back and check to see if the mobile view looks nice, because some people, you can tell that their website, they didn't care about the mobile view part because their website is not aesthetically pleasing to the eye. So I know for my website, for the mobile view, I did hide some stuff for mobile view because it just wasn't coming out looking good on mobile view, if that makes any sense. So make sure that your website looks good mobile view and it's functional. If you have to change a layout in mobile view for it to look good, just do it. So now we're on the back end of the website, and like I said, they have steps to help you set up your website. So just follow the steps and you'll see that you have a booking calendar and booking services and your email list is part of the marketing. And you can also choose a way for your customers to pay you. You can do Wix, which I explained earlier that you need to be verified. They need to verify your identity so you can get payments through Wix. Or you can accept payments through PayPal. I know when I was still going through the verification process, I switched my payments to just PayPal because I wanted to still be able to get money while I was waiting to get verified by Wix. So keep your options open. They have Afterpay, which everybody loves now. And here's something that you want to keep in mind as well. It's like your booking time. So if you know that you have appointments that you forget to schedule into your calendar, limit how far in advance people can book. Like, I used to have my bookings open, like there was no limit, but now I want to make sure like I have time to put stuff on my calendar before people book, because I hate having to cancel people's appointments because I didn't do my part. So that's something to keep in mind. You want to limit late bookings. Well, you might not want to, but for me, I don't like last minute bookings. I don't like same day appointments. I need at least 24 hours so I can know what I'm getting myself into. And canceling and rescheduling, I just hate last minute anything, so I would rather people just cancel or reschedule within 24 hours of the start of their appointment. Make sure you have a cancellation policy. Always cover yourself and have policies. And then appointment time slots. You can have them every 30 minutes or whichever works for you. And I like this appointment hour thing. You can check if you're working certain days or not working certain days. And I especially like when you can break up the day, because I know some people are parents and they have to pick up their kids at a certain time. And so it's nice to be able to stop appointments because you know you have to pick up your child and then take appointments after you pick them up. Another thing that I really like to have are templates, and Wix makes it super easy to just have confirmation emails ready. You can customize them how you want to. You can do email reminders, you can do text reminders, just everything. If people submit a form to your contact list, just everything. I love templates. So customize everything how you like. So say you're working on your website and you're not ready for everybody to see that website yet because you're still working on it, it's taking you a little while. Just push save so that your changes are saved, but don't publish it yet. Once that page is all ready to go, then you'll hit publish and everybody else will be able to see those changes you made. Something else I wanted to mention is that Wix has an app, and so your clients can download the Wix app and they can easily book appointments through the Wix app. You can keep in touch with your clients there, post stuff like, oh, I have an opening for XYZ time, and your clients can take advantage of that. Yeah, and I even noticed that people are able to cancel their own appointments if they have the Wix app, so that's good too. I mean, that could be good or bad. If you don't like people canceling their own appointments, then I guess it's not good. But I've noticed that people are able to cancel their own appointments rather than reach out to me asking, oh, can you cancel my appointment? I can't come because of XYZ. So that is all that I have for part 1 of this website and booking series video. I hope this helps somebody and that it helps you with all your questions. Yeah, let me know if you have any other questions and I'll get back to you. And make sure you watch part 2, and that'll be me explaining how I use Square.